Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to download the attendance report in Microsoft Teams. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, on the left side of the screen, we have the activity, we have the community, the chat and calendar. In the bottom left corner, we have the invite to teams and the search bar in the very top of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and download the attendance report in Microsoft Teams. So guys, it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps. You know how to do it in no time. So open Microsoft Teams and navigate to your calendar. Then find and click on the meeting for which you want the attendance report. After that, you will need to go and click on recap at the top of the meeting detail page. And then you need to, of course, download the attendance report. So basically then click on download next to the attendance report to save the CSV file to your device. So you just need to go and follow these 4 steps and you'll do it in just no time, as I already said. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.